Welcome to Learn English Easily. Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Easily. I am Bilal, and I am very happy you are here with me today. Take a moment to relax completely. Take a deep breath slowly and get ready to improve your English step by step. Many people start learning English with excitement, but after some time passes, they begin to feel tired sometimes. They feel confused and lost. They feel stuck and frustrated. Maybe this happened to you too before. You study grammar every single day. You memorize vocabulary again and again. You watch videos online. You listen to podcasts carefully. But when it is time to speak, your mind becomes completely empty. You know the words already, but the sentence does not come out naturally. You want to answer quickly, but you start translating in your head first. And suddenly, without warning, you lose confidence completely. My friend, listen carefully. This is completely normal for learners. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner, too. Every confident speaker once made mistakes before. Learning English is not magic at all. It is a long process, a slow and steady process, but a beautiful one in the end. Today, I want to show you something important. Fluency does not come from studying hard for one day. It comes from small, daily practice. Every day. 10 minutes. Every single day can change your English completely after 1 year. The secret is consistency. Every day. Not perfection. All the time. You do not need perfect grammar every second. You do not need a perfect accent either. You only need to communicate clearly. Think about small children. Children make mistakes all the time, naturally. But they continue speaking without fear. They are not afraid of mistakes. That is why they improve so quickly over time. Fear is one of the biggest problems for English learners. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes publicly. They are afraid people will laugh at them They are afraid of sounding strange or different. But let me tell you something important. Mistakes are proof that you are learning correctly. If you never make mistakes, you are probably not practicing enough yet. So starting today and now, do not fear mistakes anymore in English. Use them as lessons. Learn from them every day. Grow from them slowly.
Now, let's talk about listening practice. Listening is the foundation of speaking well. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, you must listen naturally every day. Listen to simple English every single day. Podcasts for learners. Videos on YouTube. Stories with simple words. Conversations between people. Even 10 or 15 minutes daily can help you improve. Your brain needs repetition every day. When you hear the same words again and again, they become natural in your mind. At first, English sounds very fast. Maybe too fast for you. But slowly, over time, your ears begin to adapt naturally. You start understanding more words. Then more sentences. And then, one day suddenly, you realize something amazing inside yourself. You are understanding English without translating anymore. That is a big moment for learners. That is real progress in English. Now, let's talk about speaking practice together. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment does not exist in reality. Start speaking today without fear. Speak alone if you must at first. Describe your room in English clearly. Describe your day in detail. Talk about your plans for the future. Talk about your dreams confidently. The more you speak every day, the easier speaking becomes naturally. Your mouth needs practice too every day. Speaking is physical for your mouth. Your tongue needs training and repetition. Your pronunciation improves with repetition and practice. So speak out loud every day. Not only inside your mind, silently. Read sentences loudly and clearly. Repeat after native speakers carefully. Pause the podcast and imitate the pronunciation naturally. This method is called shadowing practice, and it is very powerful for fluency. Another important thing is thinking in English daily. This changes everything completely. When you stop translating inside your mind, you start becoming fluent naturally. Start with simple thoughts every day. I am tired right now. I need coffee this morning. This food is delicious today. Small sentences every day create big progress over time. And remember this important thing. You do not need to compare yourself to others constantly. Some people learn fast, naturally. Some people learn slowly, with time. Your journey is your own journey completely. Focus on your progress every day, not someone else's progress online. Be proud of every small improvement you make. Every new word matters a lot. Every sentence matters too. Every practice session matters greatly. One day in the future, you will look back and smile proudly. You will remember the days when English felt impossible, and you will realize how far you came already. So keep moving forward every day, step by step, every day, day by day, slowly, word by word, naturally, sentence by sentence, carefully. You are improving little by little, even if you do not see it yet clearly. I believe in you completely, and you should believe in yourself too, always. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you enjoyed this episode today, leave a comment below for me. Tell me where you are learning English from. And remember this forever. Never give up on your English journey. I am Bilal, your English friend.